Hi everyone! So today we'll make an image that looks like this, so a furry ball. Okay, so let's open up Blender, okay? Then let's select everything and delete it. Right, so this is actually my first Blender tutorial, so I'm very happy for this. So I hope you enjoy it. Anyway, let's start. So, Shift A, actually, I will put my screencast keys. Okay, so Shift A, and you need to put a UV sphere. Then let's make it smoother. Smooth, okay. So you see now it's good, but we can still make it better. So let's go modifiers, subdivision surface, 4. That's it. Okay. Now we will need to add the hair. So the hair, you need to go in the particle system, add a new one, and set hair. Okay? So you see now they're a bit too much and too long. So let's set this one to 1.5. Actually, 2. Yeah, that's good. If you want, you can increase the amount to 3000. Okay, then you have to open up children, simple, display 10 is too much, so let's change it to 5. Still too much. 3 should be okay. Well, before continuing, let's add a new camera. Okay, so camera, and let's rotate it so 90, 0, 170. Sorry. Now, once we've done this, we can continue with our furry ball. So, to make it a bit random, we will have to change the settings. But before that, let's put the display to 1 so we can see better what we'll do. And then we get it back to 3. Okay, so just play a bit around with the settings. Just casual settings. Aha, a bit too much. Let's set it here, okay? So, okay, that's good. Now, let's add a material. So, should we give the same material to the ball and the hair? To keep it simple, let's do like that. So, let's say we want a red one, okay? Then we have to go on the hair, and it should be material slot red. So like, let's move it a bit backwards. So in the camera it looks good. No, still not. Sorry guys, probably today you don't understand a word of what I'm saying, but I've got a cold and I'm Italian, so I have a strong accent. Anyway, okay, that's good. If we try and see the rendered, you can see it's black for 2 reasons. 1, we didn't put cycles render. 2, it's still not enough light. So Shift A, lamp, sun, and let's make it point on our furry ball. So, mm, we we should increase the amount of fur. Yeah, maybe even 4. Okay, and the light. So let's say 5, not too much. Yeah, that's good. So maybe 4 is a bit too much. So let's say children 3. Let's see. Good. Okay. So now the tutorial is finished. Here's the end. You just have to render it. Okay. So I would do 1000 for 1000. Okay. Actually, I will put it really low, but just because it takes a lot of space and memory, and I've just done one. So yesterday down one, so I don't want to use the space again. But you should use these settings and just click render. I will put 400, no, oops, 400, 400. The one you have seen before, this one, it was 4,000 for 4,000. So this one will be 10 times less good. But the important thing is that you get something similar to this one. So let's render it and we'll see you later. Actually, yeah, I have to tell you, if you're not sure about you need to render it or not, before rendering it, be sure that it's okay for you because it takes a long time. Okay? Especially if you do it high definition. Okay, so see you later. It took me basically nothing, but here is the result. So to see it better, let's go on image, save as image, furry red, okay, and save it as image. So now I open it in my downloads. It is really low definition. Yeah, it has gone really bad to me. But if you have done it correctly, it should have come much better. Something like this. So, okay, that's it. Well done, and see you later or another day. Let me know if you liked the video. Bye!